I'm Anna, and I'm going to tell you all you need to know about physiotherapy. Physiotherapy expands from health promotion to injury prevention. We work in partnership with doctors to help their patients get better and stay well. It is a known fact that GPs refer more patients to physiotherapists than any other healthcare profession. As physiotherapists, we facilitate recovery, optimize movement, improve function, and manage pain. In summary, we treat acute pain, chronic pain, neurological and degenerative conditions, chest infections, and sinusitis. Did you know that 50% of people over the age of 18 develop a musculoskeletal injury that lasts longer than 3 months? We'll take an in-depth look at your medical history and current symptoms. Your physical examination will include orthopedic and specialized tests based on your injury or current symptoms. Physiotherapists make use of evidence-based techniques to make sure you get the best possible outcome. Take action and make that phone call. It can only improve your